I found this TV on the road, side of the road, so let's see if we can fix it. Toshiba says left. Okay. Headphones. It's DVD drive. I do want to test this out. This has a big issue. It's a really huge issue. It's been cut out. Oh, my phone's upside down. Shit. March 2006. Damn. 135 watt. I mean, it's on computers, so I'll probably open it up, and then I actually got a extension cable to rewire for this, but yeah. Let's see if we get something. Shit! There's a storm going on. Well, okay, before we were really interrupted, this is a Toshiba MD24F52, March 2006, 135 watts. And there's the front. 2 speakers. I don't know how to. I don't think. Very clean, I guess. Actually doesn't look high. I forgot where I got this TV from. I think I found it on the side of the road. Yeah, they cut it off. Yeah. I don't know. Voltage. Yeah, I'm not touching any of that right now. I'm just more gonna fix this and then go from there. Hopefully I can find a light bulb over 135. I swear I got a few somewhere. That's a bit rusted, but very clean. Might need a few repairs or something. Well, so it goes into a red and white cable. There is labels for them. It says black and white. But, so, I know which side is black and which side is white. Thing is, the cable I got is also polarized, but does not discriminate, and I could tell from the plug, but I don't know. Let's find out together. I could plug it in wrong and everything could explode, probably. I don't know. Actually, honestly, it's AC, so hot chassis, I guess. I don't see where I can't tell neutral is, but in order for me to find out which side is neutral, I have to lift up the board, and I don't feel like doing that right now. Well, I did a thing. And I am stupid. Black is for hot, though I just didn't know which one ends up. Fun electrical fact, the small one, the small one, that's hot. The large one is neutral. So, yeah, I continuity checked it. Now time to try to test it. I'm probably going to keep the 30 watt light bulb in there. Time to initiate plug-in time. It's plug-in time. Shit. Fuck. Plug-in time. Okay. We're plugged. Live. Well, it's trying. Light bulb fully went on. So saw no fire over there, but get over, get over, box. It's really trying. Let me see if I find another light. Well, I apparently don't have any. I found some what was it, 65 watt, which would be good for the small TV. I should actually try that. Yeah, one of my test TVs, but not this one. So oh, I'm gonna have to go bypass. Okay, we got 120 volts. Nothing seems like it's cooking. I should move my laptop over just in case. There we go. Damn, that spot is warm. Damn. I hear it cooking. Especially right there. I can hear the pop, crackle. Just trying to make sure. Also, will the uh-oh. Oh! That works. Okay, I'll put the back on and then, because I don't think it needs any. I don't see any damage or anything like that. I don't want to teach that. Not very cooked, really, honestly. I wonder if it will show how many hours. Yeah, everything looks fine. It's getting very fucking loud in here, and there's no one else here but me. Storms also. Somebody's crying in the background. Don't know if... So sorry if that annoys you. Anyway, back on the TV. It's probably gonna put in some input, but I wanted to update, I guess. Also, I may have taken a nap since the last one. I was like, I don't want to accidentally touch the wires, so I'm just gonna let it cool down, go to sleep. But yeah, I should probably do that. I should probably also, before I do that, I should probably. Don't worry, I didn't put it on with the back. I was just trying to make sure. I should probably do that, and I'm probably I have. How many times I've said probably now? I'm gonna probably just electrical tape those and not. Yeah, last time I tried to do it, I tried solder and that did not work. You know, every time I use this thing, I learn something new. I figure something new I could do with it. Not okay. I knew about the light, right? The light switch lights up. I like how I build this thing. I don't fully know what it. Well, I know what it does, but see, I was gonna test the continuity of this. Make sure, not continuity, but yeah, continuity. Make sure the TV's still powered on. And I was gonna just plug it in. Nothing's on, you know. And I realized something. The light bulb, the light switch comes on, meaning the circuit is complete. Meaning it works. We know it works. We know I did a good job with my heat shrink. This is Okay, honestly, last time I fucking did this, I had, like, nuts. I wired, electrical taped. It was fucking ugly. 2 years ago. If I could find an image of it, I will find an image of the last time I did this to a TV. But yeah, we know it works. We can double check. Or not. Oh, fuck. Ow. Oh, there's the nuts. I can use those for later. Also, we'll wipe this down. Yep. 1 alcohol wipe. Magic of just 1. Okay. Got the thing. Do I? Nah, I'm right here. Okay. Oh! Oh, that's cool. Okay, I have this hooked up. Really? Oh, DVD. There you go. Game. What's the other one? Oh. Oh. Ah. Why is it 2? There's only one. It's only hooked up once. Line 1's out the back, and then channel 90. That has to be cable. Either way. Recomposite. Damn, this actually looks better than my main CRT. I mean, it's a bit bent, but yeah. Oh, there is no audio going, so I'm assuming that's that bottom. I don't think that bottom part should be that color. Can I? I do need a fucking remote. Just read the first thing I try with these USB battery replacement things I found. Yeah, get in there. There we go. Ah, son of a bitch, I need a USB port. At least my laptop's here. It actually works, okay. Well, it's not receiving it. Okay, there we go. Now it's getting something. Oh. It's perfect, right? Holy shit. It's a little bit big, but so are most things on... Test this thing on. This thing looks like brand fucking new. Oh, that's the color version. Yeah, you could... Phone's not getting it as well, but you can see it all. That's cool. Okay, exit. Oh, shit. Bit loud. Ooh, that brings me back. Bit error? You fuck. Bit error. But it smells not good, but it's also been outside.
Please
Oh, yeah. There you go. Shit! Uh-oh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Plus. I already fucking broke it. I could have just fucking muted it. Well, that's gonna be a problem.
Oh, look. It's morning.
Buttons are hard. These buttons are fine, it's just these two. Well, this one's now very fucked. Anyway, let's try the, backside. I'll actually keep this playing while I get, Ox. Well, it restarted. Oh, where's the fucking mute? Mute. There we go. This thing is fucky. The, USB is a little too... You can't fucking touch the box or else everything breaks. That's new, though. And also, if you shake it, it makes it sound, so... After this, I'm gonna open this up. I don't even think I'll make a video about it. Just... I don't know what it is, unless it's interesting. Anyway. Let's try... DVD, channel 3, channel 4, 3. It might be one of those only, cable sets. Oh. Yeah, I think this is a cable-only set. I have another one of those. Yeah, but no. So, yeah, channel 3 does not work. Unless the whole thing is dead. I don't know. I can, I swear channel 3 worked on, something. I have a machine that could work, kinda, I guess. I don't have, well, yeah. Wouldn't have to be one of the higher ones, but, remember 76 or something like that is what it used? But yeah. DVD time, I guess. Put this in. Will I just start playing? Oh, there we go. See if the DVD works. That did not sound good. Disc is fine, okay. It's really trying. I could put a cleaning disc in there. If I find where I put that. I'll go find the cleaning disc. I don't know why it took me so long to find it, but I found it. Oh, and I did turn off. It said incorrect disc after. There we go. But I turned it off so I wouldn't get any screen burn. Oh, it remembers the channel it was just on. hopefully this works. It's a CD, but...
Please select track 2 for English instruction. This is a specially designed CD lens cleaner.
I was gonna say.
The fiber brushes can effectively remove dust, dirt, and oil from your CD lens.
I had to stop that for it. Track 9. There you go.
The cleaning is now complete.
No.
Please enjoy the music. The cleaning is...
Hang on. I'm just gonna let it sit here and do this. It lied. It was track 8. Oh. Yeah, this might take a bit. So I take this thing apart while I was waiting for this thing to load in a... Yeah, that little piece of paper. Oh. Yeah, that's what it is. It's just a little anti-static thing. I guess it got unglued. Everything else seems fine. Except for, I don't know, maybe the USB loose. Doesn't feel loose. I don't know. It could be that USB too. It's old and has a bump on. It's actually from a Club Penguin, so it has a little puffin on it. It used to have a Club Penguin thing. I took that off when I found it. But yeah, it's been bumped so many times. 4 gigabytes. Good for something like this, though. That thing just fucking sparked. I don't know what the fuck it... But power's still applied. Everything's still going. It came from here. Half of me is like, okay. I don't know what I want to do. That thing fucking sparked. But I don't know where. Or how. Because I was just plugging this thing in. I'm gonna let this thing finish, and then I am dismantling this. It's nice to see what it is. Top box. One of the wires probably slid off and hit the side. There's a reason why I grounded everything. But it immediately burnt out, so I'm guessing it's the wire to that. I don't know. Hey, at least if there's an issue. That's the that side. I have to open it up and see what I might do. I was thinking about putting electrical tape on the side of there, just in case that happened. I mean, it makes sense. I was pushing this thing down, and it just slid off. You know, or like it. But yeah. Okay. When the TV's done, it's almost done. I will fix that. Got to.
The cleaning is now complete. Please enjoy the music.
Okay. I'm gonna unplug that and tear that apart. Figure out what the fuck happened. Let's see. Ooh, shit. Yeah. This side hit this wall, shorted out, but onto the neutral wasn't enough to trip the breaker. It immediately shut itself off. Okay. Good to know. Yeah. This tried to shit, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to unscrew that, but I could probably wipe. Oh, don't worry, it's also unplugged. Yeah. What? So what I did was I redid it, but so that way it's tied more in here. And now there's I also did wipe it down, but now there's a permanent copper stain on that side, so yeah. Well, now it's fixed. It's actually leaning over this side, thankfully. Now there's not as much gap, but yeah. All of these could do something like that. Which is why that one, honestly, that one was probably the one most likely to have gone. I am happy it did that. Or else the box would have gone live. Forgot the. Okay. I forgot to take the disc out too, so. Let's try it now. Let's try this disc again. This disc doesn't. It said it was invalid area, so it could have been trying to read it. A lot quieter. You know, in all my time fixing shit, that was the first time that disc has ever actually helped out. Well, now we know it works with discs. Now let's try to do what I was trying to do before, which was test the cable. So what this box does is that actually basically changes the channel of an input, making it more something like. It was supposed to be for older TV, so this is from before the 86, I want to say, is when they changed it. So this is supposed to go to like channels like 70 or whatever. But thing is, cable uses this very similar frequencies, so up. There you go. It's not as clear as it could be, but that's more of a limitation of fact this is not true cable. This is of high bandwidth over the air TV. Oh. Oh, yeah, of course, it's not plugged in. That's fine. At least we know cable works. Been a while since I interacted with cable only. It can't get low enough, which is why. Let's do 71. 69 is a good channel to test these on. At least I think this is. I'm actually messing with channels 14 through 18, weirdly enough. Yeah, 69 is garbage. Let's go all the way down. 68.
Right, yeah.
Oh, 68 looks clear.
Says we're doing nothing.
Oh,
67. Ooh.
No, to do something.
Honestly, I don't mind it.
Unless this isn't actually.
Only people think things are dull.
What? I'm not dull. I'm the best one. What do you think we should do?
Oh, yeah, that's.
oh my, will you look at the time?
Unless it's put in wrong.
Why didn't we?
Fuck.
I wouldn't want to late for my job, would I? Probably not.
Yeah, I really do think this is, Actually, no, it has to be, because that's the only reason why I go up to 98.
You tell us what we're supposed to do.
Almost forgot my briefcase.
Yeah, okay.
Those guys who had one of himself.
Hey, where are you going?
But yeah.
My job, of course. I've got a...
So, TV, we have to fix the, down button, but TV is now working. I'm an idiot. Oh. There you go. Get SpongeBob. Okay. I'll probably be done with this for today. Go there and, actually, I might watch a movie on this later. But yeah, put everything away. Just so, well, it's just so we can make sure everything else is fine. Yeah, so it's a cable only. Actually, there might be a setting to change it. Anyway, cable only. DVD playing TV. Street Vine. Damn, that's nice. Daylight savings. There we go. About 1 minute ahead, it should be fine. So I watched a movie on it, Joe Dirt. It stopped halfway through randomly. I think there's still some issues with the VCR. That was the only issue I had, so... yeah, I'm gonna take it apart and try to fix that fucking on button. What's the... not on button, the power button. See what I can do. If only I can fucking get to it. How do we do that? Good question. Well, got it out the way. Buttons seem fine. Ooh. I'm trying to see. It feels fun. This one doesn't feel fine. I think there's something. Oh. There's something in the way of this button. I think. This one's broken, but... yeah, I think it's something to do with the front panel. So, it's not the buttons. Buttons are fine. It's the plastic. phone is not being very helpful right now. I don't know, there might be something in the way. So, like, this bottom piece, so like all these are connected by a little peg underneath here. Thank you, phone, for focusing. There you go. Oh, nice. About 2, 1. Zoom out. Oh, there we go. So you have this bar here, and you have this little thing to see the little 2 pegs there. Issue is that I can't get this board up, so I'm probably just gonna put this all back together and just, I don't know, leave the buttons, have a pushy stick. Maybe at some point I'll probably go in here and replace these two. Not replace them, but hit them off, unless I can figure out a way to undo that. Oh, wait, it's lifted. I didn't realize that. Well, I can put the buttons back together, but I should have tested them before. Yeah. Oh. Nope. Yeah, these still are fucked up. Well, time to test them. Why is it not? Oh. There's no light. Ah, that's why. Oh, that's why, because this light switch is shit. Not the switch, the, plug. There it is. It works. I guess that's it for this, Toshiba.